Good morning, y'all. Hey, Rivi. Guys, I just got back home from dropping off ShéKayla. River is in a hurry to get out. Rain is asleep. My mind is on the eggnog that I made. You guys saw. The eggnog tastes so grainy. Yeah, see how thick it was? I think I really let the egg boil too much. Or it could be because I used brown sugar. Was I supposed to use white sugar? Because I tend to use brown sugar for a lot of things. But I don't know. Hey, sleepyhead. Hey, sleepyhead. Let me get them out and we chat. Come on, slowpoke. Come. You're gonna bring the shaker out. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump, Rivi. Yeah. If you can tell me what I did wrong, I would really appreciate it. I feel like I'm gonna throw it away because I'm so upset and I don't know how I can fix the graininess and stuff, so I don't know. Let me come go inside. It's time for us to make some breakfast. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Yeah, that's it. Hi guys. I forget that I had ordered these things, honestly. If I didn't get that notification, I wouldn't even know that I was waiting for another package, because the last one was from Shein and now this one is from Temu. So let's see what's in here. I think it was just like maybe probably sweaters or something. I got 1, 2, 5, 6. Got 6 pieces. This is different. Did they always put this is different? Temu packaging change, because I've never received anything that has like Temu written all over it. I don't think, no. So let's see what's in here. I might have to take my clothes off. Oh, I don't want to take off my clothes. If you guys can hear noise right next to the cameras, because I'm on the phone with my friend and the phone is hooked up. So she said she want to see. Yeah, this is what normally would come in, like a package like this, but they put it in this, plus it's in this. So that's different. Let me see. Oh, this is a dress. Is it? Oh, this ain't too bad. Yeah. Okay. So this is one dress. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but I just liked it, so I got it. And then let's try on something else. What is even this? I just added some things, right? I think this is for my head. Not necessarily to wear with the dress, but what? And a different hairstyle. It's to keep me warm. It's to cover my ears. Ooh. Because it's fleece. It got fleece inside. Oh, this is another dress. You know what? It fits, but I feel like should I have sized up? Because I think I didn't want it to fit too big, but it's short.
Get one of those jackets that you could throw over with that have no sleeves.
I'm gonna need tights.
Yeah, some tights and a black black boots and that.
Let me stop. What else in here?
Oh yeah, that color nice.
Yeah. And then I didn't know the sides would have come like this. It come like to.
Oh, I love that.
It come, yeah. Okay. This is nicer than I thought, actually. This is it. I ain't got nothing else. Only this for rainy bongi come. Oh, I want to try. I feel like this. I wonder how this gonna fit on rain. I want to try it on. No. It's 9 to 12 months. This is cute. Rainy bongi gonna look nice in this. Yeah. A little head thing. Ah, that's it for the haul. Quick, quick, quick. 3 tops. Now I'm going to go in the kitchen. I am going to cook some. Did I tell you guys what I was gonna cook? I'm not gonna record cooking because I'm not in the mood to record, but I'm just gonna do some dumplings and some mackerel. That's what I fancy. So whenever we pick up again, see y'all in the next clip. I have one more. Oh my god. You see how you end up trying to wear clothes? I have one more. I didn't realize I had another one. Nice and cool. Oh, Vanessa, I like this. I love how it feels on me. It's very soft. It's giving pure.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is it. This is the last top. The material, so it feels warm, like it feels very cozy, that it will keep you warm and everything. So yeah, big up to Temu. And no, it ain't sponsored, but yeah, shout out to Temu for this. Let me go put back on my clothes and head in the kitchen to cook my food. Guys, we're about to make some Oreo milkshake. We're not gonna use this one though.
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah.
We made a milkshake. So that was ShéKayla's one that I poured it out in, and this is mine, so I'm going to try it. It tastes nice. It's sweet. The texture is really good though. It's giving milkshake. Do you think it's too thick? Would you water it down a bit more? This is good for you. Don't worry about the chaos behind me, if you could see behind me. But yeah, I'm gonna go share up my dinner now. It's just that ShéKayla was harassing me about making milkshakes. She said, when can we make the milkshake? You didn't even know I told her, wait until like 5 o'clock. You know, so I could like get dinner started, finish up and everything, and then we ain't even eat yet, but we drink your milkshake. Oh, my dumplings is in that pot, and this is what we are working with. So I did the mackerel. I put coconut milk in there. ShéKayla, you want any of this? This is just for Sean and I, y'all, because ShéKayla does not eat this. Don't worry about the portions. So this is for Sean and I. ShéKayla opted to eat something else for dinner. Yeah, I'm gonna go plate up now and eat. That is it for my day. What's up, guys? I'm just here in the kitchen. Y'all must have said lot, like always in the kitchen, eh? Don't mind my hair. I haven't fixed my hair or anything, but I'm just here. I was watching the air fryer because I'm going to do, I don't know what to do with the chicken breast. I just never know what to do. I took out chicken breast to cook and I just never know what to do with it. As I said, I think I told you guys this before, it's like I always curry it or something. It's just, I don't know. I'm gonna go look up a recipe or something different. I feel I might just fry it. Maybe I could. Ooh, I'm getting my parcel today. I'm using my phone, so I saw a message just come up. I'm expecting a package today. Yeah, I believe I was talking to you guys. So Apple updated these phones, yeah, so we could pause our recordings now. So I paused the recording, not realizing that the camera was not recording. Come here, Rivi. And I chat like 5 minutes just now when it wasn't recording. Come, Rivi. Rivi, tell them, say good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
Say make sure you like,
Alright.
comment, and subscribe.
Great.
Say subscribe now.
It's great now.
Right now.
No.
Yeah. Mwah. Look at Rainy. Rainy, you like that Rivi's up here with you, huh? Mwah.
It's fun.
Mwah.
I'm here. Cookie.
Ah! Oh my goodness. Go on, Rainy Boom Boom. Go, Rainy. Guys, Rain, I've been trying to catch her standing on camera because she's been for the last 2 days. I feel like I'm shouting, I'm so sorry. For the last 2 days, she's been standing like she got up on her own, like from the floor. She actually got up in the middle of the floor, so without holding on. So I've been trying to catch her, but this morning she kind of went halfway up and then she went back down, which is this clip that I'll insert. So you can see that she like wants to get up, but every time it's like I'm recording, I can't catch it. I will catch her though. So she's gearing up to move off on her own and stuff, which is great. She walks holding on too. So I have on you can't see, but I have on a sweatpants right now, and it's very loose, and she holds on with one hand on the sweatpants itself and she walks. She's been walking with me this morning from the kitchen to the living room and everything, one hand just holding on. So you know, she's barely holding on, so she is gearing up to make her way, which is gonna be so emotional, like seeing our baby just walk. Like Rain just born the other day and here she is getting ready to walk. She'll be 1 next month. But yeah, what I was saying is that I just turned off the potatoes, still steaming. because I saw where they said if you kind of like half cook them, so you just boil them a little bit and then you put them in the air fryer or the oven, because I was trying to do something like wedges. So last time I did it, I seasoned it up really nice. So I like pot boil it and then I seasoned it with like I put like Italian seasoning on there. I put a little bit of jerk seasoning, a little bit of paprika, a little bit of black pepper, tiny bit of salt. So this is, I know it sounds like a lot, but it's like small like amounts that I'm just mixing together and stuff. I spray it with some oil, shake that up and put it in the air fryer for 10 minutes, I think it was, or 12 minutes, maybe 12 minutes. And they were so perfect. They were so good. It's the best wedges I ever did in my whole life. I was so proud of them. So it's 10:30. It's not even 11 in the morning yet, but I'm just trying to get ahead. So I'm gonna go and cut up the chicken strips from now, because in 1 hour those babies are gonna go for their nap. I might nap with them too, because yesterday that felt really nice. I plan to, but after put Ray in sleep, I plan to like come in here and cook and get stuff done, but I fell asleep with her, and when I woke up it was time to get ready to get ShéKayla. But I felt so good. I really needed that. I couldn't tell when last I slept in the day. I just don't. Let me go and cut up these chicken breasts, season them. This is just prep. I'm gonna finish after I get ShéKayla. I'm gonna do that because they cook so quick and I want it to be fresh. So by the time it's finishing up and that, Sean will be on his way home, and then we can all have a nice hot dinner and nobody gotta reheat no food. So yeah, I'll see Rainy new dance. No sir. I'm gonna go make the smoothie now. I swear every time I'm leaving the house we got a delivery, but I'm not expecting anything from Amazon. I just strapped River and Rain in. What'd you say, Riv? You want a drink? But River, wait till we reach down in the car to ask me for a drink. Honestly, it's now 12:30 and we're headed to get ShéKayla from school. She finished school a bit early today because they have their winter Christmas. Is it Christmas? I think it's a Christmas fair. Yeah, but she's coming home. But yesterday my meal came out really nice. I will show you guys how the chicken ended up looking when I did it in, I actually didn't do it in flour, I did it in corn flour. Yeah, just corn flour, and I did it in the air fryer and it actually came out all right. Yeah, and then I did it in that nice sauce. It came out really nice. The wedges were nice too. And then I actually had half rice, half wedges, plantain. Did I have plantain? I didn't have plantain. I think I just did. Oh, cucumber. Yeah, cucumber. I wanted to do plantain, but yeah. But anyways, Rain is 11 months old today, and this one back here, River, he's 30 months old today, but we stopped counting as soon as he reached 24 months. But yeah, you know, they were both born on the 11th. So yeah, Rain is 11 months old on the 11th. Today's the 11th. I don't know when you're watching this vlog, probably like a week later or something, but today's the 11th. She decided that she's gonna be standing up, so she's been standing up a few times like by herself. I'm in the middle of the floor just standing up, which is quite a nice achievement by Rainy Bungie. So proud of her. So I'm hyping her up to walk. I'm still hyping her up to walk, hoping like she's gonna walk this week, this month. She will walk because she's doing so good and she's getting a nice. So Rainy, you have no patience. They don't like being in the car if the car ain't driving. No, anyways, let's go for Kayla. What does it say? No entry. Oh, here. Oh, okay. I'm here by Checkout supermarket. Yeah, I'm at Checkout trying to get eggnog. Hopefully they do have it. Let me ask. Excuse me, do you guys have eggnog?
Eggnog, no.
Did you have it?
No.
I bought it from here some years ago. You don't?
Yeah, but we don't have it now.
At all?
Yes.
Are you getting it?
No, I don't think so.
Do you know where I can get it?
Again, I don't buy eggnog, I'm not sure we can get it.
Oh my gosh, I drove all this way hoping that the eggnog would be here.
Yeah, because I think last time it didn't really sell, so they didn't.
Really?
Yeah, so they took it off.
Okay.
We're gonna have it, we'll be on aisle 2, but not 2.
Yeah. Okay. Aw, thanks anyway. That's disappointing. Sometimes I have some really nice baguettes, freshly baked and stuff, so maybe I could just get one of those. Where are their baguettes? Here. I love their baguettes. When was it baked? Oh, today. So I will get this. And what sweet treats do they have here that I like? We bake while you wait. Oh, what's this? What is it? Oh, borek with cheese. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Oh my gosh, it's actually hot. See, these are things that has made me want to buy stuff, because why is it hot? I don't know what that is though. I don't think I've ever had it. What's this one? A potato stick. They all look like they just done bake, y'all. Maybe I could get a bread from here as well while I'm here. But look at me, I don't even have a basket. I don't know if I would like this. This is what I like though, these ones. The pain en moisson. I might get me one of these. What's this one? Chocolate. I haven't had this in a long time. How much is it? The price is here $1.69 each. Okay. Alright. Let's go, because I don't even have a basket, y'all. Oh, snap. Okay. Let's get going. I think I need to get a coffee while I'm here. Rich. Oh my gosh. $4.89, y'all. I usually buy the big thing for like $2 something, you know? Goodness. Something else I was looking for though. Oh, hot chocolate. Do they have? See, this is the one that I have at home, and I don't want this one. I want normal hot chocolate, not that one. Oh, they don't have though. Let me just get a whole milk while I'm here. Is this whole milk? Yes, let me get this while I'm here.